Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Looking at the skin, you could already guess that I'm a Bengali and I'm living in New York City, and I'm trying to make money on stock market. So far, I have invested $45,000 plus. If I can make money in the stock market, you could also do that. I started to invest in April 15 of 2013. So I have about 7 year experience in the stock market. I'm going to share my experience with you guys. So hopefully that's going to benefit you making decision on how to make money on the stock market. My first trading platform was TradeKing, which was bought by Ally. I don't remember the exact date, but I've been with TradeKing Ally for a long period of time. As you can see, I have a few holding over here worth about $12,000, and I have about 15,000 cash on hand for trading stocks. I had some stocks which I sold last week, so that's why I have this money available. Again, the money that I have over here is actually not my money. I took out about $33,000 beginning of this year from my credit card, and that's due next year June. And what I'm gonna do is that before next year June, I'm gonna sell all my stock from this account and pay off my debt. This is what I've been doing since 2013. As you can see over here, so far in this year, I made a profit of $1,781. I still have rest of this month, also December. I'm gonna try to day trade or try to keep some stock for a month or maybe sometime even 2 months to see how that gonna give me a profit. This is my Betterment account. So the money that I have over here is actually my saving that I slowly invested every week. I usually invest about $50 every week, and I've been investing since June 3rd of 2019. So far I deposited $4,200, and I have a gain of $535. So this is the account. I'm gonna keep it for a long period of time and continue to deposit $50 every week, and I'm hoping to see I want to see how far I can go with this account. So this is my M1 account. So the money that you see over here, this is my own money that I invested from my saving. As you can see that the account was opened February 26, 2020, and again I've been investing heavily on this account. One of the thing I like about the M1 is that I'm able to select my own stock flexibility that Betterment does not offer. M1 offered it. I want to keep Betterment and M1 for a long term. I'll continue to deposit in both of the account every week $50. The $50 I get it from my part-time job that I work Saturday and Sunday, beside my full-time job which I work Monday to Friday. You can see on my M1 account I have a gain of $1,880, and with that $104 is dividend. I'm trying to build this portfolio half growth and half dividend. I'm gonna see 10 to 20 years later how this account is gonna turn out. It's for future investment. Again, I'm using the money from my part-time job to invest into Betterment and M1 account. I'll see how far I can go and how much profit I'm gonna be able to make, and I'll try to give you guys every other week or once a month update to see how am I doing. Next is my Webull account. As you can see, I have invested $1,747, and I have a gain of $102. Webull offers something unique that none of the other trading platform offer. In Webull, you are able to trade from 4 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. in the night. In Webull, you are able to buy a stock before it come to the market. So it's called a pre-IPO. With Webull, you are able to buy those stock before it's coming to the market, and it was something unique, and I want to try it out. So that's why I put some money over here. I bought a few of the stock over here. I'll go in more detail. So I bought some of those stock so you could see. This is something that easier to understand, so I'll break it down. So stock investment Ally, I have invested $27,432 and I have a profit of $1,781. Then I have my Betterment account. This money actually mine. I have been depositing about $50 since last year June. Sometime I also deposited like 100 whenever I have leftover after all the expense every month. M1 account is actually my money. I put in all my saving into this account, and I opened this account this year in February, and I have a gain of $1,880. And Webull, which I opened about a month ago, like I explained over there, this is a unique platform where I'm able to trade early in the morning, like from 4 a.m., also late in the night up to 8 p.m. and $2. So total I have invested $46,220. With a profit I have $4,290. My intention of making this video is that I don't make a lot of money every year. My average income is about $40,000 to $50,000 every year. You know, a lot of people might be thinking like we could buy house or anything like that. It's gonna be more gain. But with my income, I'm not gonna be able to buy house. So what I decided to do is that I invested into a stock market where slowly I could increase my gain, and maybe eventually in 10 to 15 years later, I'm gonna be able to make enough money so I could use that money to buy a house or do something else that I want. The Ally Bank, the money that I use is a little bit complicated. If you have really good understanding of your credit limit and the option they offer you, you're gonna be able to utilize your credit card to take out the money with a low interest. And the only problem with, you're gonna have to pay those money back. It's not really your money. So what I do is that I take money as much as I can and invest into market and make a profit of it, and then I pay them back. But this is the only thing. So whatever the profit I'm gonna be making from this year, I'm gonna be putting into my Betterment and M1 account, and I'll continue to give you guys updates so that you could also learn from this and learn from me. And I'm gonna link all the description, also link to each of the account. If you're interested, you could open those account and test it out to see how it's gonna go. And on my next video, I'm gonna try to give you more details of each of the trading platforms so you could see which one work out for you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, share with people you think is gonna benefit.